Evening, guys, or morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. This is Carla living a rogue life, and this video is long overdue. I tell you, Mackenzie Lindstrom several months ago had invited me. I had asked her. I had showed interest in a challenge that she was doing, and she was kind enough to actually send me. She mailed me a packet of seeds. Now, the challenge is the hashtag Milk Jug King Pepper Challenge. And I've had so much stuff just come up in my life that I wasn't able to get to it, but we're on a roll now. So, Mackenzie, I apologize first for not getting it done when you sent me the seeds. This was back in May. And this is August, May, June, July. So 3 months ago. Now, it is August here, and we are hitting upper 90s with humidity levels and everything. I would say, you know, we're seeing days that feel like 108. My peppers that I planted earlier in the year are doing well, but I'm going to see what happens when you plant peppers late in the season. So they are in milk jugs. If it gets too hot, I can move them to the shade. I can take them indoors. And so what I've done is you take a normal milk jug, and I don't have milk jugs, because I have glass milk jugs. So I'm using a gallon water jug. And then you cut the jug, fill it with soil, plant your seed. Cut the jug any way you want. So I have 2 of them. Here's the jug that I cut and filled with soil. I only took off the very top. And given how hot it is, I don't think I need to create the greenhouse effect. So I'm going to not do that. Now, the seeds that she sent me are a black Hungarian pepper, which I've never heard of and never tried. So I do hope this works. I've used just a regular garden soil. I purchased in bulk at the beginning of spring, and I had a 5-gallon bucket left. So I guess I have a 4-gallon bucket now. Hold on, let me get one more thing. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on top of this gallon jug where I've added the soil, I'm going to use Nature's Organic seed starting mix, and I'm going to put a thin layer on there, and that's where I'm going to start my seeds. That's just David opening the grill, making the noise over there. We're getting ready to do Crazy Ed's barbecue challenge, actually, which Mackenzie is also entered into. Alright guys, I got my seed starting mix on top, and hopefully as the pepper sprouts and the seeds go through the seed starting mix, I've already got fertilized soil ready and waiting for them. This is not very moist, so let me just put a splash of water. And I forget all the time, the seed starting mix almost repels water when you first put it in there. So you mix that up a little bit, get nice and dirty. Alright. And my seeds, black Hungarian pepper. You know, that sounds like something that would turn into a really good, like, paprika. I guess it's because I associate it with pepper. Oh, these are tiny too. Come on out. There we go. When all else fails, use your fingernails. Okay, so... Oh! I don't know if I can show you this or not. There's the seed. And I'm going to put 3 of them in here. Just in case. I like odd numbers, so 3 it is. And just cover those up lightly with this seed starting mix. And the one thing I forgot to do was put drainage holes in my container, which is okay, because I don't like to put my drainage holes directly on the bottom. I don't want the nutrients and all of the water I put in to run straight through the container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up a little bit, and I'm going to put my drainage holes on the side of the container. That way there'll always be moisture in the bottom for the roots,
but they can't flood because the moisture's coming out the side. So let me poke a couple holes, use a pair of scissors. I don't know if I can show you this. Nope, it takes 2 hands, hold on. Little hole. And I'm going to poke one on each side, and I'm actually going to create an X. So I want to make sure it's going to drain. Plus my soil can't wash out. Alright, and that's it. Holes on each side. Garden soil, seed starting mix, and 3 black Hungarian pepper seeds. Mackenzie, thanks again. I'm going to put a link down below to Mackenzie Lindstrom, and also want to shout out to Garden State Gardening, and I'll put a link to their channel as well, because that's where Mackenzie got started with this. And there'll be a hashtag, Milk Jug King Pepper. If you want to get in on it, that's all it takes. Pepper seeds and a gallon jug. That's it. Peace out.